Cruz.
K. U. K. Cook. Uh-oh. 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 I think you all know what that was. If not, he's doing a cinnamon challenge. I didn't mean to push you out of camera. I hope he doesn't die on here.
And now I got a dirty spoon.
There's two in here, isn't it? Yeah, there's two.
I thought you were doing with your underwear. Oh, this is not something I should say on camera, but I have to poop.
Badly. That's why she does not agree with you. Stand back.
I have never in my life done this.
Don't get a big ass spoonful, then you'll die.
I don't want a big ass spoonful.
You got no more than that. Alright, here, just to make it even.
You can do it?
Yeah, I'll do it with you.
Yes!
Don't give me more than you got.
You can get your own. God damn it. Hold my spoon.
Oh.
Think that's enough?
Yup.
Okay. This is...
There we go. Stop! Stop! No! Stop it! No! No! I don't want more. No! No, thank you.
The key... Oh, shit. The key to this is don't breathe or nothing, or you're gonna fucking die. Wait, oh, you fuck! Give me some. Give me some.
Hey!
Okay, we got some cinnamon. We've done the salt and ice challenge.
It's the only challenge we haven't done.
You've got mayonnaise. I did a whole thing of powder stuff.
3, 2, 1.
Does that help? I almost puked. I can't get it off.
Oh, the dingleberry. Oh my god.
That was awful.
That was a good one. Oh, challenge. My tongue hurts. Challenge again. Did you try to swallow on that one? I tried, it wouldn't happen. That is the worst challenge anybody could ever set up in life. You suck balls, and we're about to run out of time. I'm Cruz.
Look, don't ever do that.